Forewarned weather with Damian Lotus.
I am tracking not one, not two, but three chances of snowfall here for Oklahoma City as we head into the next 7 days plus 4 more, including this evening and tonight. A blizzard warning is in effect for all of the Oklahoma Panhandle and northwestern Oklahoma. And since the 6 o'clock news, we've had more counties added to the traveler's advisory because we're going to see expanding snowfall here as we head into the overnight hours. So far, we've seen up to about 8 inches of total snowfall for some parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and it's still snowing out here. As we take a statewide view of our storm scanner, heavy snowfall continuing across the Oklahoma Panhandle. The overall storm motion is going to be off to the south, moving about 20 to 30 miles an hour. Heavy snowfall right now between Beaver over towards Gate and Buffalo. And as we look off to the east, we have storm tracker Mike Bennett out here. He's right there on that dividing line between rain, sleet, and snowfall. There's even some lightning pushing its way into Winoka. So, Mike, you were telling me earlier you had some thunder sleet earlier. Give me an update on what you're seeing right now. You got some sideways snowfall there.
Yeah, Damian, I'm actually moving east now. I'm going to actually try to get into that sleet and sample that. That's just south of Winoka. That area actually looks like it may be trying to weaken a little bit. But this whole area of winter precip is dropping southeast pretty fast. I'm closed in on Bouse Junction here, but wind's really strong. Temperatures well below freezing. I'm way behind the freeze line now, so we're going to go ahead and track it east-southeast as roads begin to deteriorate. Back to you.
All right, thanks so much, Mike. So as we look once again here at our storm scanner in northwestern Oklahoma, this is where I'm tracking that heavy snowfall continuing. He's right there on that dividing line between the rain, the sleet, and the snowfall. And this is going to slowly start to work its way across northern into central Oklahoma here as we head throughout this evening and for tonight. Temperature-wise right now, we have a mix of mid-40s here across central Oklahoma. And this is because an area of low pressure, which is what's bringing us this winter weather, is now making its way across northwestern parts of the state. And behind that, on the backside of that, it is draining all of this cold Arctic air across the state of Oklahoma with winds gusting up to about 60 miles an hour. And because of those winds, we have wind chills in the single digits right now across the Oklahoma Panhandle. As we head throughout this evening and tonight for Oklahoma City, the front will make its way through Oklahoma City during the overnight hours, right around midnight. And we're going to see overnight wind chills in the teens with that chance of snow flurries here for Oklahoma City right around sunrise here for tonight. Temperatures for your 10 o'clock hour for tonight will be a mix of 20s, 30s, and 40s. We will see some snowfall continuing across northern and northwestern Oklahoma as we head into this evening. Future track radar is showing that by 8, 9, 10 o'clock, we'll see that area of snow expand across northwestern parts of the state. Around midnight, that's when we're going to start to see that line, that transition line between rain, sleet, and snow working its way across the I-35 corridor. Here for Oklahoma City and central Oklahoma between 2, 3, and 4 a.m. That's when we'll see our chance of snow flurries here for central parts of the state. Doesn't look like we're going to see any accumulation, but that's going to be our best shot of seeing some snowfall here in Oklahoma City. So how much snow are we expected to see? Well, most of the totals will stay across northwestern Oklahoma and northern parts of the state. Here for Oklahoma City, don't expect to build a snowman for tomorrow, but we could see some cold rain with some snow flurries mixed in, mainly looking like some sleet. But the farther north you go, the higher your snowfall chances will be here for tonight. And for tonight, overnight lows will be a mix of teens, 20s, and 30s. Very cold tonight, dipping down to 27 here for Oklahoma City. Wind chills tonight will be in the single digits across the Panhandle. It'll feel like the teens as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning for Oklahoma City. And then for all you snow lovers out there, the best chance of snow for Oklahoma City will be on Friday the 12th. And we're going to see a pretty good chance of snow here across central Oklahoma, including the Oklahoma City metro. But after that, get ready for cold weather. Single-digit wind chills Friday morning, but the coldest air in 3 years moves its way into Oklahoma on Monday. Monday morning, we could see wind chills as cold as -30. That's dangerously cold here for some parts of the state. So as we head into tonight, tracking that chance of winter weather across the state of Oklahoma, a slick drive into work tomorrow morning, overnight lows in the 20s, wind chills in the teens, and then I'm tracking not 1, not 2, but 3 chances of snowfall here as we head throughout the next 7 days plus 4 more. Highs next week could be in the teens with lows in the single digits. So very cold weather here moving its way into the forecast. I'll continue to track it. And as always, I'll keep you forewarned.